Hello everyone, today we're going to compare AMP futures and Optimus futures, two of the most popular trading platforms in the world. So AMP futures is known for its competitive pricing and variety of platforms, we all know that, while Optimus futures stands out with its personalized customer service and educational resources. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for AMP Futures and Optimus Futures, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go to the features comparison. So when it comes to margins, AMP Futures has super low margins while Optimus Futures have low day trading margins which is $40 on micros. And when it comes to trading platforms, AMP Futures have 60 plus or 50 plus trading platforms while Optimus Futures have over 35 trading platforms. When it comes to data feeds, AMP Futures have multiple data feeds which is CQG, TT, and Rhythmic Teton, while Optimus Futures have access to over 10 order routing data providers. When it comes to minimum deposit, AMP Futures have $100 minimum deposit, while Optimus Futures they don't specify it but expect it to be low. When it comes to day trading margins, AMP futures have $400 S&P and 500 day trading margins, while Optimus futures have $400 margins on E-minis. When it comes to real data or historical data, AMP futures they include that, while Optimus futures they have streaming real-time data also. Lastly, when it comes to mobile trading, AMP futures available, while Optimus futures they have also mobile app and web-based platforms. So both the same. So now that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing comparison. And as you can see, when it comes to commissions, AMP features have commission as low as $0.15 per side, and they have a fees. And when it comes to Optimus features, they have as low as $0.10 per side. When it comes to deposit options, so AMP Futures and Optimus Futures, they have free deposit options, so you don't need to, don't need to pay. When it comes to withdrawal options, AMP Futures have ACH free and wire, they have $30, while Optimus Futures, their ACH and wire, they don't specify their fees. When it comes to currency conversion, AMP Futures have $30 currency conversion fees, while Optimus Futures, they don't specify it. And when it comes to training desk, AMP features have free. And when it comes to Optimus features, they have 24-hour access, which is also free. And when it comes to platform fees, both platforms has no monthly platform fees. So they have free platform with order flow. And lastly, when it comes to data fees, AMP Futures offers real-time and historical data, while Optimus Futures, as you can see, they have free CME market data, level 1 with condition. So both are the same almost. And yes, that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to another section with which is customer and support. So when it comes to support availability, AMP Futures have 24-hour support from Sunday to Friday. Same thing with Optimus Futures, and also they have traditional telephone, email, and chat support. When it comes to contact methods, both platforms have phone, live chat, remote support, and support forum or email. So mostly they have the same contact methods. And yes, that's it. So when it comes to phone support, so let's talk about phone support. So AMP features, they have toll-free and direct line available. So their phone support is free. And same thing with Optimus features. And lastly, when it comes to remote support, AMP features have remote desktop connection for technical inquiries. And same thing with Optimus features. And yes, that's it. So mostly when it comes to customer support, both platforms are the same. So now we are done with the features, pricing, performance comparison. So now let's go directly to the pros and cons. And when it comes to pros of AMP futures, they have competitive pricing with low futures fees. The traders are not charged for account inactivity. They have a wide range of trading platforms. They have high quality of educational materials. They don't have any deposit fees. And they have a large choice of assets available to be traded in their platform. And lastly, they have a modern website and a mobile app. So yes, that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, they have a high wire of withdrawal fees, and they don't have any mobile app and web platform when it comes to multicharge.net. And the only features and option on futures available, and they have a known trading condition regarding EA's robots, news tradings and scalping, and lastly they have a known safety measures. So yes, that's it for the AMP futures pros and cons. And when it comes to Optimus Futures Pros, they have low futures fees and no inactivity fees. Same thing with AMP Futures. They have free ACH withdrawal. They have highly rated customer service. They have high-end trading tech and choice of data feeds. They have customizable technology and personalized guidance. They have unlimited simulated trading. And lastly, they have highly experienced and competent technical support. So that's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, Optimus flows only available on Windows, and they have only wire or check withdrawal for non-US users, and they have wire withdrawals have a high fee, and they have limited to derivatives trading like futures, and lastly the selection of data feeds and clearing firms can be overwhelming for newer traders. So that's it for the Optimus Futures pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go to which platform is the best for you, and let's start that by discussing who should choose AMP Futures. AMP Futures is preferable for traders looking for low trading fees with no inactivity fees, for those who prefer a wide range of trading platforms, for those individuals who want high quality educational materials to improve their trading skills, for traders who are interested in a large choice of assets for trading, and lastly for users who appreciate a modern website and mobile app ease of use. So if you have all of these qualities, AMP Futures is the best for you. So let's go to who should choose Optimus Futures. Optimus Futures is preferable for traders seeking low futures fees and free ACH withdrawals, for those who value highly rated customer service and quick response to inquiries, for traders who desire high-end trading technology and a choice of data feeds, for individuals looking for customizable technology and personalized guidance, and lastly for traders who want to access unlimited simulated trading to practice strategies. So if you have all of this quality, Optimus Futures is perfect for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms offers unique advantage tailored to different types of traders. Whether you prioritize low fees and a wide range of platforms and extensive asset options with AMP Futures, or you have value personalized guidance, high-end technology, and robust customer service with Optimus Futures, your choice will align with your trading goals and preferences. So remember, the right broker can make a significant difference in your trading journey. So take the time to consider what features what matter most to you, and don't hesitate to reach out to each broker for more information. And with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you to choose the correct option. And also that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.